The assets that can be converted into cash within a short period are known as dash. Answer current asset. Goodwill is classified as dash. Answer intangible asset. Which account is opened when partnership firm is dissolved? Answer realization account. The documents on the basis of which transactions are recorded in the books of accounts are known as dash. Answer source document or vouchers. Dash is used to verify the correctness of recorded transaction. Answer source document or vouchers. Entry recorded in the journal which contain only one debit and one credit is called dash. Answer simple journal entry. Entries with more than one debit or more than one credit or both is called dash. Answer compound journal entry. Dash is a collection or set of accounts. Answer ledger. The difference between the two sides of an account is known as dash. Answer account balance. If the debit side of an account is heavier than the credit side of an account, then it shows a dash balance. Answer debit balance. If the credit side of an account is heavier than the debit side of an account, then it is shown a dash balance. Answer credit. The process of ascertaining the balance of a particular account on a given date is known as dash. Answer balance in the account. Balance in the account is also known as dash. Answer strike in the balance. Dash is used to record all transactions relating to cash receipts and cash payments. Answer cash book. The entries that affect the debit side and credit side of the cash book are called dash. Answer contra entries. Dash is a situation when cash withdrawn from the bank exceeds the amount of cash deposited. Answer overdraft. How many types of business transactions are there in accounting? Answer 2. Revenue and capital. Dash is called customer's ledger. Answer debtor's ledger. Debtor's ledger is also known as dash. Answer sales ledger. Unwritten portion of deferred revenue expenditure is known as dash. Answer fictitious asset. The final account of a cooperative society is prepared mainly based on dash. Answer receipts and disbursement statement. Building account is a dash account. Answer real account. Rent of proprietor's house paid from business account by cash will dash. Answer reduces the cash as well as capital of business. The material or anything for which cost is to be measured is known as dash. Answer cost object. The cost which is changed in proportion to the level the total volume is dash. Answer variable cost. The costs are classified as fixed or variable on the basis of dash. Answer specific activity and given time period. Which method of capital budgeting called benefit cost ratio? Answer profitability index method. When capital redemption reserve account is opened? Answer at the time of preference share redemption. The present value of all inflows are cumulated in dash. Answer, order of time. The long-term assets that have no physical existence but are rights that have value is known as dash. Answer, intangible asset.